Hello, viewers. Hello, subscribers. Hi, viewers. Hi, subscribers. Mornings. And another beautiful day, by the way. All right. What I got for you guys? This Steam Deck news is for you Steam Deck fans. You guys. All right. Listen to this. Linux Fair DRM scheduler graduates out of RFC phase. Then it says Tico Uslin of Igalea has been leading the work on developing. Get this out the way here. I don't want to say this. Now they just messed me up. See, now I got to go back to oh man, come on now, not now. Advertisements. They always got to do this. All right, now let's go over this. Turko Uslin of Igalea has been leading the work on developing a fair DRM scheduler for Linux kernel graphics drivers. This scheduling algorithm is inspired by CFS and aims to improve the experience of running interactive graphic clients in a parallel with heavy GPU workload. This scheduler is inching closer to being ready for mainline Linux kernel. Says the Fair DRM scheduler aims to schedule better FIFO scheduling and avoid priority starvation, a simplification over the existing code and virtual GPU time-based scheduling. The Fair DRM scheduler has been showing off nicer results on the Steam Deck and all around a nice improvement for the Linux desktop. You Steam Deck fans are spoiled. All right. Now, it says here, today, Uslin sent out today the 9th iteration of these patches following discussions at the recent XDC Developer Conference. The patch series has graduated from its request for comments of RFC, and it says phase, and now being submitted as normal patches for a review, with the RFC flag removed, inching ever closer to hopefully being a mainline into the Linux kernel for enhancing the direct rendering manager driver. You Steam Deck fans are spoiled. Anyway, it says here, there are also a variety of other enhancements with this 9th revision. Then it says RFC patch for the series as agreed during the XDC. Update interactive benchmark graph. Improve handling of interactive client by replacing the random noise on TIE approach with the average job duration statistics. Document and code why we track entity GPU stats in a reference counted structure. Document the new structure fields added by the fair policy. Undo some tabs vs spaces damage. More accurate wording in the fair policy commit message. Default to fair policy in a separate patch. Rename DRM underscore schedule underscore RQ underscore select underscore entity to DRM underscore schedule underscore select underscore entity, and make it only take schedule. Fix kernel doc after removing the scheduling policies and remaining the RQ. And then it says reverse argument of DRM underscore schedule underscore RQ underscore init and clean up caller new patch. Yeah. Then it says remove unused num underscore RQS from structure DRM underscore schedule underscore ARGS new patches. And it says more init tests. And it says those interested in testing can find the version 9 patch of the Fair DRM scheduler. And that is that. Yeah. So now we got 3 comments. Let's see what these commenters got to say about this one. come on, Phoronix, stop playing. Okay, here we go. Three comments. Let's see, who do we have here? We got Quack. He said this: I haven't read the stuff yet in depth, but it will be nice if the user can set a sort of GPU niceness. And then who is this? Avelion said this. He's responded to Quack. He says, I don't think this is implemented yet, but it would be fairly easy to do more. But it would be fairly easy to do once the DRM fair schedule code is merged. That means it needs to be in the Linux. That means that it needs to be in the Linux kernel, the 6.18. Then Quarter Neon said this. They are basing it on CFS. Wasn't that recently replaced with EEVDF? Why not go straight to that? And those are the 3 comments. So this piece of news is all GPU related to the Steam Deck. We couldn't find a game the Steam Deck couldn't run, man. Updates just rolling in. Yeah, and this is gonna be in the new Linux kernel, the one that they're working on. So whenever they decide to release that, I will prepare myself for reading. For reading. Now that I got this, oh yeah, will be better. Yeah. So yeah, Steam Deck is just moving right along, man. Moving right along. Oh yeah. Updates, man. Keep coming in. You know, like I was watching this YouTuber that talked about the Steam Deck, and he was saying that these other handhelds, they should be mopping the floor with the Steam Deck, but they're not. Steam Deck is just a bad boy, especially now when you can put 32 gigs of RAM on it, on the LCD model or OLED, or you can put 61 terabytes of storage on it. Yeah, or double that 61 terabytes of storage, making it 122. Steam Deck is doing its thing, man. Yeah, and those updates for Proton, all those Protons will keep coming in. Steam OS, yeah. Arch Linux, yeah, definitely worth it, man. Yeah. Anyway, that's the news for now. So I'll keep you guys in the loop on the Steam Deck, and see you guys next time. Take care of yourselves. Be safe out there. The world gets dangerous every year, you know. Of course, get proper rest, sleep, eat. Of course, work out. Yeah. I'll catch you guys next time on the next video. Bye for now.